Hello, welcome to the video Replacing Existing Policies. In the previous video we looked at creating new application domains. In this video we'll see how to replace the RHEL policies. When adding custom SELinux policies, all that users can do is add more allow rules. SELinux does not have a deny rule that can be used to remove currently allowed access rules from the active policy. If the current policy is too permissive to the administrator's liking, then the administrator will need to update the policy rather than just enhance it. And that implies that the administrator has access to the current SELinux policy rules used. Replacing existing policies depends on the SELinux user space utilities. The more recent one supports priority-based loading and the source of the current policy. To replace an active Red Hat policy, we need to download the source RPM of the SELinux policy package and use the RPM build application to extract the files. Once extracted, we update the policy files, rebuild them, and then install them on the system. Let's install the SRPM first. Type the command dnf download source SELinux policy and click enter. Wait until the source is being installed. Done. First, find out what the current version of the SELinux policy is. Type the command rpm -q SELinux-policy. So here is our SELinux policy version with other details. Next, we try to obtain the source RPM shown in the output. If the source does not use an active subscription, then the source RPM can still be obtained through third-party repositories, such as those offered by CentOS. If the package is really difficult to find, you can find it through rpmfind.net. You can even go to RPM database directly by clicking on this link. After downloading the source RPM, install it on the system with this command. It may give a warning message. Next, use the RPM build utility, which is part of the rpm-build package, to extract the source RPM. Type this command. When finished, the SELinux policy source code can be found inside SERef policy within the RPM build directory. For instance, the screen.te file can be found in the contrib subdirectory within the policy directory. The policy files can now be safely copied over, manipulated at will, and built to replace the existing policy. It's not necessary to first remove the module from the policy. Just inserting the new policy module with the same name will replace it. In this video, we saw how to replace the RHEL policies. In the next video, we'll look at other uses of policy enhancements.